All right, we are just placing our salami in our muffin tin. You do not need to grease this. There's enough grease on the salami. Super quick so that each cup has a piece of salami in there. All right, we're placing our last two pieces. Beautiful, and we're just making sure they kind of cup into each of those muffin cups. All right, and this is gonna go in the oven at 400 for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, I have a large bowl here, and we are gonna start off with our mozzarella pearls for this super easy appetizer. It is so great for when you have guests coming over. Don't worry, we will break that apart, but I'm gonna come in with my grape tomatoes that I halved. Do not worry, I also washed them too, but you can keep them in your tin to save a bowl. Now I'm gonna come in with my garlic stuffed green olives. Yep, you heard that right. And we're gonna add probably this whole jar in there if we can get it out. Oh, you can use whatever olives you like, whatever kind of flavors and things you like with salami, but these are my favorite. And then I have some hot banana peppers. If you don't like the spice, you can skip these. But I'm gonna add a few of these in there because I absolutely love them. Probably wanna stay away from these super big ones. Those are probably a little too big for what we're doing, but we're just gonna add a generous amount right in there. Beautiful. And once we have those together, now we can come in with our spoon and break up those pearls, get everything kind of tossed together. Just more importantly, break up those pearls. Oh, so easy. Look how vibrant and beautiful this looks. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. We are gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, just to add some nice flavor, a little bit more pepper than salt because pepper just goes so well with mozzarella, with tomatoes, with olives, with those banana peppers. And we're gonna give it one more toss. And now we're gonna go back and check on our salami. All right, these are nice and crispy. They almost look like pepperonis now. And they kind of turned into little mini cups, which is perfect for our little veggie caprese salad charcuterie mixture that we made. And we're gonna make sure that we get like a little scoop with all of that goodness and add it to each one of our cups, just like so. Yep, you heard it. We are making salami charcuterie cup appetizers. Let's quickly get these filled up. All right, and we're gonna finish these off with a balsamic glaze. And we're just gonna do a nice little drizzle right on top. Now you could do an olive oil instead. You could do no glaze at all. You could finish it off with more seasoning, but I think this is what my guests are gonna love, so that's what I'm doing. I am ready to dig into these. These are gonna be so good. Okay, I got my serving platter here. And I'm gonna go and try to pick up this one right here. Look how cute that is.
So cool.
All right, so let's go ahead and get these all plated. Oh my, look how adorable these are. Okay, I think it is ready to give these a try. I think this is like a 2-bite, right? Not a 1-bite.
I can fit it 1 bite. Is it good?
I need to try the second bite.